Hello, I'm Kenichi, the representative of Chiba Cycle, and today I will explain how to put bar tape to your bicycle. And today's my partner is
Mina. Hi.
Mina is actually an English teacher working upstairs, but she is also helping me as a YouTuber like that. So let's begin for today. So please choose one of the bar tapes from here for the bicycle today. Which is better? Today's one is black.
Okay, I'm gonna choose the red one.
Okay. So
Red one, please.
this one.
Okay.
So I will explain how to put it exactly and precisely. Okay. So let's see today's video. Okay, so let's begin for putting this bar tape here. Okay. So when you open the box here, so you can see this one. Here is for embedding this hole here. Okay. So you can see two in it. Okay. And two buttons. One, two. Of course, these are for left side and right side. Okay. So let's begin to put it. But before we also have to put this. How should I say? This is maybe
Double-sided.
Double-sided tape.
Yeah.
Onto the handle. Okay. And here, like this. And here, like this. Actually, there is no need to put this precisely. Yeah, like this. And the last one is here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Like this.
So why did you have to put those double-sided tapes all over the handles?
Okay. So because there is no kind of cohesive tape on it. So it means if with that this tape you start to put, it may loosen because of your power of gripping, right? So that's why it is needed. Okay?
I see. There's no adhesive.
Yep.
At the back of the bar tape. Okay.
Okay. So next, we also have to prepare a little bit to cut this tape like this diagonally.
Okay. Why does it have to be diagonal?
It is for here. I really wanted to put this like this because it is really nice, right?
Yeah.
Look, just big. I always do this, so I can do this without checking scale.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's begin to put. This round.
So just wrap it around the handle.
Yeah, but there is also a nut for winding this.
Okay.
So the nut is when you put the bar tape here, the layered part is like 1/4 or maybe one third.
Okay.
Okay. But when you put the bar tape around here, like bending part,
Around this curve.
a curve, in that case, the inside of the curve should be a half layered.
Oh, okay.
On the other hand, here, outside should be 1/5 or 1/4 like that. Is much better.
Okay.
Okay.
I
So
see.
1/5 and half, 1/5 and half.
Oh,
Okay.
you do it alternately.
1/5 and half. In that case, it is really beautiful, right?
Oh, right.
Great, right?
Yep.
And next is here. This is the most difficult part because there is a lever. So
Alright.
please check it. Just check it and mimic it. Firstly, this should be here like this, and bottom here, and put it here. Okay.
Okay.
And the bottom should go the top side here. Okay.
Okay.
And next is the bend.
Okay,
Again.
once again.
In this case, outside should be 1/5 and inside should be half, and 1/5,
Okay.
half, 1/5, and half. Yeah, and this is the straight part. So maybe 1/3 or 1/4. No, 1/3 or 1/4 is much
Okay.
better. Like this. Here. Okay?
Okay. Now you've reached the end.
The end, right?
Yep.
And let's cut here and cut this diagonally again here. This is of course to fit here like this, right? And last one is this black tape. How can I say in English?
Electrical tape?
Okay, it is.
I'm just guessing. Because it's usually used for cables, right?
Okay.
For wires that could be
So this is handle tape.
the handle tape.
Handle
Okay,
tape.
then, yeah.
Okay. So please put handle tape here like this. Okay. And this one. This is to conceal the tape here.
All right.
To how should I say embellish
Yeah.
the tape here around here. So there is a
Oh,
logo
it has-
Bontrager here, right? So this should be the top, right?
Okay.
Here.
You want to see the Bontrager? Okay. All right.
Okay, and conceal here. Yoisho. And please embed this cap here. Whoosh. That's all. Okay, so the next is another style from here to here. But before it, I have to add a little bit explanation about putting bar tape. When I did it, I start putting bar tape from here like this, right? And this is actually decided. If you start the bar tape from here in that case, this bar tape will be winded like this. Okay?
Okay.
Like this.
So why is there a need for the change of direction?
Okay, yeah, it is a really nice question. Because when the rider grips here, the power should be here, like this. So if the direction is opposite, like this, like this, it will loosen soon because of your power of gripping like this. Okay? So the direction is always
Towards the cyclist. Or
not like this. Here,
okay.
this way.
That's the best way.
Yeah.
Okay.
From the distance to near side.
Okay.
Here. Okay.
Yep.
So following this rule, I will put the bar tape with another way. I mean from here. Okay.
Okay.
The reason there are two ways to put bar tape is that some people don't like the part of seal here. So for erasing seal, this way is much better. So let's begin. Okay. Here. Like this. Okay.
I see. So with in this way,
this
there's
case,
no need to add
the
the seal
seal.
here. Ah, okay.
You will cut and you put this side into it like this. Okay. Yo. Like this. Some people like this style. Okay. Because one of the convenient part of this drop bar is you can put your handle many places, not only here but here. But for the serious rider, if there is a tape here, the feeling is not so good. That's
It
why.
gets in the way.
That's why. Okay. But basically, the first one is common in the bicycle shops in Japan. Okay. Yeah, that's all. It is Biore and speed.
Speed. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm quite competitive. So. Okay.
So each one is there Japanese and English. So
Yes.
start is Japanese.
Okay.
So, yoi, don!
So now, okay, I did it.
But
Yay,
you
okay.
also have to do it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Where do I cut? Here?
If you, yeah, and here. And if you
Here?
could do it really nice, so what is that?
So I'm just gonna follow this. And then tapping around. Okay, done.
Here.
Oh, right. Okay, wow. So, okay. Yeah. Huh. Why is it stuck like that? Or maybe I did so poorly that it's stuck now. Okay. Okay.
Okay, anyway.
Yes.
So please check. Please check.
How do I check?
3 points.
3 points. Just 3 points.
Out of 1. Okay, anyway,
You're
I
very
will do it
generous.
again.
Okay,
Yeah.
of course.
So this is the difference between the beginner
So
and
this is
the pro.
my work. I think I did pretty well here.
Yeah,
Don't you
I
think?
so.
But this part, because
Yeah.
you were getting ahead of me,
That's
so
all.
I got.
cannot tolerate.
Where I cut, I think I cut it in the wrong direction, right? With this one, wow, flawless and effortless.
Faultless.
Effortless and flawless.
I did the effort. Yeah.
Yeah,
this
but
is
you
the
can do it with your eyes closed, right?
Maybe so. We are running 3 bicycle shops in Sagamihara city and 2 in Fujisawa city under the corporate philosophy of aiming to contribute to the society by imparting the potential of sports bicycles to our customers, providing enjoyment and keeping them healthy. As a professional, we have deep knowledge, profound expertise, and of course the skill to repair bicycles. So if you are or your living area is very near from here, or your workplace is also near from here, please use Chiba Cycle and we will serve you. So please choose Chiba Cycle as your bicycle shop.